against Veras. Goes to the screen. Will attack. Kicks out. Kapulong will drive. Will stop. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Kap goes to the baseline. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Oduka. Enrico. Here's bomb. Cesar. Bucket and 1. He comes back to inbound. Bounce pass inside. The Naco play. Bucket of the window. Welcome to Championship. Game 1 for Tarlac. Basketball Association inbounding. Passes to Bonus. Bonus now at the top. Nakatayo pa rin yung mga kasama nila. With the bench area. And recover sa 3. Bang! First blood! Saved by Kapulong. And attacks Bares. Spins. Fires. Traveling. Here comes Bonus. Passes to the wings. Natapikan. And recover by Kapulong. And shut down to 12. Kapulong backdoor inbound. Pass inside the floater. Bullseye. Ball. And Baltasar against top. And the pass. Oduka receives the ball at the top. Will attack. Will goes inside. Will lay short. And here's Team Tarlac City. And number 18. Inside pass. Sa gitna. Kicks out. Corner for 3. Bang! Kapulong. And Baltasar. And stops. Baltasar bounce pass to Oduka. Oduka against Bonus. And spins. Will goes inside. Will fakes. Bump. Oh, my foul. Backdoor inbound. Bounce pass inside. The Naco play. Bucket of the window. Pull the ball. Will bump. Will cross the mid lane. Pass to the middle. Enrico. Here's bump. Cesar. Bucket and 1. Bonus. The long pass is stolen. And this Baltasar to Baltasar. 2-on-1 ang laban. Straight to the hoops. Bucket. Back to back. Down to Tubon Lake. Kapulong now. Against Veras. Dancing at the floor. Crossover. And recover. Pass to the middle. Bonus. Bonus against Veras. Goes to the screen. Will attack. Kicks out. Kapulong will drive. Will stop. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Kapulong. And Veras sumiksat. Goes to the baseline. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Odu. Bonus now with the ball. 12-11 score natin. Down to 1-point lead. Posting up. Bounce pass to the baseline. To Kapulong. Picks. Fires. Bucket. Kapulong. And here's Bares all the way to the hoops. Basket and 1. And here's Tarlac City. And Bonus. Bonus creating space. A pass to the waistline. Picks. Pass inside. Bump. Papunpon rejected. And another one. Basket and 1. Baltasar. Bump. And crossover. Goes inside, corner, Bares na agawan. And here's attacks, goes to straight to the hoops, basket. Kapulong. And here's Bares, guarded by Kapulong, posting up, spins. Pass Oduka, open look. Bang! Oduka lead, 18-17, bonus now. Passes to Mendoza, inside pass, Liz, yes sir. Here's
Mendoza is a very good defender.
Bares slowly going down. Bares setting the play, Casinas dito. Goes to the middle, straight kicks out, takes, pull up J, rolls the handle. And the pass, Mendoza. Pass to the middle. Will attack, will bomb, kicks out. Open look for 3. Short. Rebound. Inside pass. Lays a reverse layup. Bucket Kapunpong by Baltasar. Pass to Bares. Bares is pass. Stolen. And recover by Mendoza. Will spin. Will attack. Inside pass. Fires off the window. Bucket. And here you go. Nuarin goes to the hoops. Left-handed lace. Yes, sir. Bonus. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to the middle. Fires at 3. Won't go. Rebound Baltasar. To Baltasar. Spins. Baltasar crossover. Nakalusot. Penetrates. Rejected. But may foul. Tumakbo pa. Bong. Pass to Gaviola. Gaviola na with the ball. Pass to the corner. Will attack. Inside pass the floater. Won't go. Rebound. Still for Tarlac City. Stepping back. Pull up jumper. Bakit? And Oduka. Oduka nakalusot. Oduka behind the back. Oduka. And may foul. Gaviola. Pass to number 29, Arciaga. And there's number 27. Will penetrate to the middle. Natapikan, recover, pull up jumper, bullseye again. Nabong. And there's Oduka. The long pass is stolen by Gaviola. Gaviola will pick. Pass to the baseline. Inside pass. Oh, looking. Oduka goes to the screen. Will attack, will spin, fakes, inside pass, reverse layup, won't go. That's the end. Oduka inbounding, passes to Baltasar. Baltasar will drive, will spin. Oh! Oh! What a move! Angel bounding. Now looking for the receiver. Number 29 to Gaviola. Will attack, will kick out, open look, passing for 3. Short. Rebound by Oduka. Oduka will drive, will bump, will fire off the window. Bucket for 2. And the pass. And stop, will drive. And the stolen from down. And the pass break. And for the tie. Reverse layup, pocket, tie game. Gaviola will set the play, taking it easy. Dito ka sabi, doon ka sa kabila. And here's Kapulong. Pass back, Gaviola for 3. Won't go. Rebound para kay Oduka. Oduka pass to the middle. Side step race for the lead. Bucket for the lead. And he's almost stolen. Recover. The passing. Kicks out. Kaponpon. Pass back Kaponpon. He bumps. He lays. Yes sir. Patay game. Baltasar at the top. And will attack. Inside pass. Tinabitin Bakit for the lead again. And is Kalponpon. Kicks out. Stolen. And is Baltasar sumigsag. Please reverse layup. Bakit. 4-point lead. And Gapasen. Gapasen. And GA. To Kapulong. Kapulong. Inside pass. Falling away. Bullseye. Kaponpon. Pascua. Pascua. Barret. Oh, Dolores. Stolen. Kapulong. Kapulong. Straight to the hoops. Stays. Oh! Binit yung bola. And tie game again. And inside pass na agawan. And here's Gaviola. Gaviola goes to the middle. Kicks out. Kaponpon will post up. Will spin. Natapikan. Stolen. Oh. And pass inside. Libre. Wala. And the pass. Baltasar stops. Pass to Norin. Behind the back. Spins. Attacks. Corner. Bares. Now taking it easy. And pass to Oduka. Will fire a 3. Bang! Again! Counting Oduka. Pass inside. Here's Baltasar. Open look again. Bang! Another 3. Yumol. Yumol at the top against Bares. Pass to number 6. Inside. And spins and fire of the window. Bakit? Deligado. Pass to Baltasar. Inside pass. Libre. Bakit? Norin. And the pass. And here's Team Tarlac City to the middle. Kaponpon to the corner. Lace. Yes, sir. Pass to Yolola. And here's Oduka. Corner. Kicks out. Open look. Norin. Won't go. And bounce pass sa gitna. Lace. Sinausaw. Bares, the long pass. Seconds to play, inside pass, reverse line for the lead, no good. That's it. And here's Oduka. Oduka will spin, will stop, fires at deep 3. Won't go. Not this time. And the pass, bonus to Kapulong. Corner pass. Fires at long 3. Bang! Dating bat the net. Kapulong at the top. Pass to the baseline. Post up. Elegado bounce pass. The floater. Kaponpon bucket for 2. Black City. And here's Baltasar. Baltasar. Between the legs. Stop for 3. No good. And the pass. Bonus. Bonus now. Will stop. Cross pass. And there's Kapulong lays up of the window. Bucket and 1. Duka inbounding. Open look. Baltasar. Bang! 3 points. Bal. And the pass. The side step. The lays ang haba ng akbang. Pumasok. Nagmaka. And Baltasar will attack. And stolen. And the pass to the middle. Corner, lace, bucket. Kapulong. And slowly, Oduka against bonus. Oduka. And stolen. And bounce pass na unahin ni Lacey na. Oh! Grabe yun. Oduka goes to the screen. Oduka crossover. Will bump. Di distansya. And attack. Lost the handle. Stolen. Kapulong. Lace. Yes, sir. Kapulong. Norin. Norin at the top now. Norin against Kapulong. Posting up. Goes to the middle. Lace up case left-handed. Yes, sir. Norin against Sablan. Goes to the screen. Norin. And goes inside. Bump. Oh! Pinalipad. And here's attack. Stops. Gaviola. Bang! Gaviola. Trip. Norin. Norin post up. Bump. Inatid. Oh! Salagapak. Yun lang. And pass. Bounce pass. And kicks out. Pass at long 2. Bang! Pass to Norin. Norin will stack. Lace won't go. Gaviola the rebound. Gaviola stops. Cross pass. At the wings to the middle. Fix. Inside pass. The floater short. Rebound pa rin. Recover. And the bounce pass to the middle. Lace in Ausaw. Basket and 1. And Bares. And the taps. Goes inside. Fires at 3. Bang! Dolores! Kapasin. Pass to the middle. Natapikan. Ball is stolen. Bares goes and he kicks out. He's stepping back for 3. Bang! Oduka 1. And fires Kapuling at 3. Nagid. And Dolores. And the fire. Kapulong. Bounce pass to Kaponpon. Fix, pull up J, Nugget, rebound, and the pass, and pull up J at the corner, Nugget, and rebound pa rin, falling away, bucket, falling away, Kaponpon, bonus, setting the play, pass to the middle, Kaponpon, Kaponpon for 3, bang, the nets, Kaponpon, and the pass, for 3, Nugget. And attack. Side step please. Yes sir. Tumisiksak si Baltasar. Baltasar. Bounce pass to Baltasar. Basket by Baltasar. And here's Kaponpon to the middle. Spins. Eligado the floater. Yes sir. And Kaponpon for 3. Bang! 3 points. And Bares goes inside. Lace. Yes sir. Bares. And here's Dolores. Goes inside. Will spin. Kicks out. Open look and attack. To the corner. Dolores wala. And easy 2 for Baltasar. Pulong against Bares, asking for a pick.
Last 2 minutes.
And crossover.
On the shot clock.
Stops. Corner pass. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points.
Basket. Otuka.
Oduka. Stepping back for 3. Bang! Oduka.
Otuka 3.
And congratulations, Tarlac City.